Piper, why so ever are you sitting in the dark like that? You silly little goose. Please turn on the light. Ah, so much better. Now, Piper, I, Edgar, the Desert Fox, am here to tell you to get better already. Don't you think you've been sick long enough? I do. Mother always used to say to us that you could frighten away the illness. Boo. Did that work? Good.